in my pocket.
Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to discuss on how to solve rational equations. Take note that the rational equations have rules in solving. We should follow the rules to solve it correctly. These are the rules on how to solve rational equations. If the given fraction is like this and they have different denominators, all you have to do is to cross multiply. Next is adding fractions. If they have the same denominators, all you have to do is add the numerators to get the answers. This fraction is also addition, but they have different denominators. So all you have to do is find the LCD or the least common denominator to solve it. One is subtracting fractions. As you can see, they have different denominators. So all you have to do is just the same as adding the fractions with different denominators. You just have to find the LCD or least common denominators. The last one is this one. As you can see, it is subtracting fractions with the same denominators. So all you have to do is get the difference of the numerators to get the answer. Here are some examples given by the other members.
Is x plus 3 over 4 equals x plus 6 over 6. So as you can see, they don't have the same denominator, so we are going to find its LCD. So the LCD of this equation is 12. So ato i-multiply ang 12 sa both side. So 4 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is positive 9. On the other side, 6 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 6 is 12. So, ato siyang ibalhin para ma-x ni diri dapita. So, ang kaning positive 2 kaning
Another example of rational equation is 1 over x plus 4 equals 3 over x plus 4. Cross multiply, so mahimo na siyang 1 quantity x plus 4 equals 3 quantity x plus 4. Distribute, so mahimo na siyang x plus 4 is equals to 3x plus 12. Imong i-transpose ang 3x, so mahimo na siyang x minus 3x equals to 12 minus 4. X minus 3x is equals to negative 2x. Yan, ang 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. Divide both sides by negative 2 para mabili na lang ang x. So, ang x is equals to negative 4.
Another example for solving rational equation. 1 over 2 minus 2 over 7 equals 3 over 2x. Dili man siya pareha og denominator man ang pangitaan og LCD, and it is 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Multiply by 1 equals 7. 14 divided by 7 equals 2, and multiplied by 2 and equals 4. No, pangita sa LCD kay mahimo na siya 7 over 14 minus 4 over 14 equals 3 over 2x. Mag-subtract ka sa 7 and 4 kaya pwede naman siya mag-subtract kay 6. Parehas na ang denominator. 7 times 4 equals 3. Copy the denominator 14 equals 3 over 2x. So mag-multiply na taani. 3 multiply by 2x equals 3 multiply 14 times 2x equals 6x, and 3 times 14 equals 42. Ang mahitabo is kay mao na ni siya 6x equals 42. Dili pa siya ma-final answer kay ang x not by 6 dapat walay 6. So divide ni siya og 6 para mawala ang 6 sa kilid sa x. 6x divided by 6 equals x. Yang 42 i-divide sa 6 equals 7. So, ang final answer is x equals 7.
Example, 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4 equals 4 over 3x. To get the LCD, we'll multiply the denominator in the left. The denominator in the left is 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 12 divided by 3 times 2 is equals to 8. And 12 divided by 4 times 3 is equals to 9. That is the rule of fraction, so that we can subtract. So 8 minus 9 is equals to negative 1. Negative 1 over 12 is equals to 4 over 3. 4 over 3x is already given. So negative 1 times 3x is equals to negative 3x. And 12 times 4 is equals to 48. So negative 3x is equals to 48. To get x, we will divide both sides by negative 3. Cancel negative 3. So x will remain. And 48 divided by negative 3 is negative 16. So x is equals to negative 16. And that is the final answer.
Example. The given is 1 over 3x plus 5 is equals to 4 over x plus 5. So first thing that we need to do is we have to cross multiply. So 1 times x plus 5, it will become 1 quantity x plus 5. And then 4 times 3x plus 5, it will become 4 quantity 3x plus 5. And then the next step to do is we need to apply distributive property. So 1 times x is equals to x. And then 1 times 5, it is equals to 5. And then is equals to 4 times 3x, it is 12x. And then 4 times 5 is equals to positive 20. So the next thing to do is, in order for us to solve the x, we need to substitute the negative, the 12x. So it will become negative 12x. So x minus 12x is equals to 20 minus 5. So in order for us to get the x, we need to divide it both sides by negative 11 because x minus 12x is equals to negative 11. So divide it both sides by negative 11. So cancel negative 11. So x is equals to negative 15 over 11.
Good day everyone! Today I'm going to give you an example about rational equation. My example is 3x plus 5 is equals to x minus 8. The first thing we're gonna do is to combine like terms. So transpose positive x to the left, it will become negative. Transpose also positive 5 to the right, and it will also become negative. So our equation is now 3x minus x is equals to negative 8 minus 5. The next step is to simplify it. 3x minus x is equals to 2x, while negative 8 minus 5 is equals to negative 13. Now, if we want to find the x, we have to divide both sides by 2. So 2x over 2 is equals to negative 13 over 2. Cancel 2 so that the x will remain. Negative 13 over 2 is still negative 13 over 2 because we cannot reduce it. So our final answer is x is equals to negative 13 over 2.
Hello everyone, so now I'm going to give an example of solving rational equation. So my example is 1 over 2 minus 3 over 9 is equals to 4 over 3x. Since it has unlike denominators, we will find its LCD by using the formula AD plus BC over BD. To find its LCD, we will combine the two denominators, which is 2 and 9, so we have 18. And we will combine AD. A is 1 and D is 9. So 1 times 9 is equals to 9. Plus, we will combine BC. B is 2 and C is 3. So 2 times 3, we have 6. So now we have 9 minus 6 over 18. And we will copy 4 over 3x. So we have 9 minus 6 over 18 is equals to 4 over 3x. And we will subtract 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Copy the denominator 18, 3 over 18, and copy the 4 over 3x. So we have 3 over 18 is equals to 4 over 3x. And the next thing to do is to cross multiply. So 3 times 3x equals to 9x. 4 times 18 equals 72. Since we only need x, we will divide both sides by 9 for us to cancel out, because we only need x. So 9x divided by 9 is equals to x, equals to 72 divided by 9 is equals to 8. So the answer is x is equals to 8.
Example, 7 over 2x minus 5 over 3x is equals to 22 over 3. So to find the answer of this equation is we need to find first the LCD. If the LCD is 6x since it contains all the denominators of the equation. And then next is to multiply both sides by 6x. So it will become 6x times 7 over 2x minus 5 over 3x is equals to quantity 22 over 3 times 6x. And then use the distributive properties. So 6x quantity 7 over 2x minus 6x quantity 5 over 3x is equals to 22 over 3 times 6x. And then next is to cancel out all the common factors. So it will become 3 times 7 minus 3 times 5 is equals to 22 times 2x. And to get the x, which is the final answer, is to divide both sides by 44. So 11 over 44 is equals to 44 over x over 44. Then cancel out. So the answer is x is equals to 1 over 4.